What's up guys, it's your boy here, Joshua C, and if you've been following us for quite some time, you will be noticing that recently all the new smartphone will have similar designs, right? And if you're those who seek for something out of the box or out of the norm, well, I think you'll be interested in today's unboxing of the ASUS Zenfone 8 Flip. Like its name, it comes with a unique flipping mechanism camera feature. The Zenfone 8 Flip offers a triple camera setup which consists of a 64 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, and an 8 megapixel telephoto lens. So the best thing about this flipping camera mechanism is that you won't have to sacrifice your selfie quality, because as I'm recording now, I'm still using the same rear cameras to do the vlogging and also the selfies. And because most of the mainstream phones usually have a lower quality selfie camera on the front, of course, it happens on its own brother, the Zenfone 8, with the punch hole selfie camera. So with the flipping mechanism on the Zenfone 8 Flip, whenever there's a need for selfies or vlogging, you'll still be able to use the main camera which turns around to your face. So although this is the first time that I'm reviewing the ASUS Zenfone 8 Flip, but for the flipping mechanism, it's not new, because if you're an ASUS fan, you should know that ASUS has been doing this for the past previous Zenfones. And this time, the special thing about the camera is not just the flipping mechanism, but also the few new camera features that it added to this phone. You got the auto panorama, quick angle shooting, motion tracking, and more to fully utilize the flipping mechanism. You can also set it to the angle you want using the volume keys and set it as a tripod for hands-free mode. Just be careful of the timeout. The audio during your video recording is super nice, as well with the 3 inbuilt microphones, and you can also turn on the wind filter mode to cut off wind noise. So as I'm recording now, I'm turning on the wind noise reduction, so even though the wind is blowing strongly, you still can hear me clearly, right? As well as using the mic focus mode to focus your audio into a specific object. It also comes with dual stereo speakers specially tuned by Dirac for a better audio optimization. The camera frame is made out of metal components, so it will not be deformed easily even if you knock it or drop it. But I don't think you have to worry about that, because it has a free fall detection feature which will detect falls and retracts the cameras automatically. Now, for those of you who wants to turn this video off, hold your horses there, because I know most of the ASUS fan here will tell me this: the ASUS Zenfone 8 Flip doesn't feel like a new phone because it's very similar to the previous Zenfone 7 Pro, from its outlook design to the camera sensors. The same 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED 90Hz display, glass curved body framing design, as well as the triple camera sensors. But of course, that phone is not officially launched in Malaysia, and I would say the key upgrade of this phone will be on the performance, because it now sports a Snapdragon 888 5G chipset coupled with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. So, gaming wise, it also comes with the Game Genie feature which you got on the ASUS ROG phone, where you can custom-made and see your live CPU performance during your games. Powered by a 5000 mAh battery and packed with a 30-watt charger, it can easily last me throughout the day without charging it. And one of the tiny features that excites me, that makes me feel nostalgic about it, is the notification LED on the bottom. So overall, I think that the ASUS Zenfone 8 Flip is a pretty great phone to have, especially for its unique camera flipping mechanism. But I still think there's something that it could improve, especially when it comes with a price from 2,999 ringgit, like the lack of OIS in the camera sensors, IP68, as well as the wireless charging. So that's all from me, and what's your take on the ASUS Zenfone 8 Flip? Let me know in the comments below, and also don't forget to like our video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click the bell icon. I'm Joshua C. See you next time. Bye bye.